Simple ways to maintain your computer. The 3 most necessary upkeep duties on your PC. For those who've ever fried a CPU since you did not clear your fan, misplaced a decade of your digital life to a hard drive crash, or spent 4 hours attempting to take away an antivirus, you've got most likely already discovered a beneficial lesson about the necessity to preserve your PC. Medical specialists remind us that prevention is the perfect medication. In order your private PC help specialists, we will strongly advise that you just apply the identical logic to your PC. 1. Preserve vital records data backed up. A very powerful factor you are able to do as a PC proprietor is to constantly and reliably again up the information saved in your exhausting drive. Hardware was probably the most beneficial a part of a PC, however these bits and bytes are actually the actual funding. You have spent large quantities of cash on software program and digital music and video, and numerous hours authoring paperwork and organizing your digital records data. For those who do not often again up this info, a critical PC downside may depart you with nothing, however an enormous feeling of remorse. The perfect resolution is a cloud-based backup service. Sure, should you do not use a free backup service, it's going to price you a number of dollars a month. However, contemplating what you get, it is the most cost-effective insurance coverage in your necessary stuff that you will discover. 2. Often replace your vital software program. Preserving the software program in your PC up to date is not a non-compulsory a part of PC possession. Viruses, worms, and different malware, along with spam, safety breaches, hardware incompatibilities, and software program conflicts are all now a part of your everyday digital life. Updating your PC with the most recent patches, fixes, and device drivers actually can preserve these annoyances at bay. Updates are freely accessible on the web for almost each antivirus program, electronic mail shopper, operating system, and piece of hardware you can presumably personal. Do not be scared to update your hardware's drivers, and please just be sure you often scan for viruses or be certain the at all times on safety is enabled in your antivirus program in order that threats could be caught earlier than they do any injury. 3. Make positive issues are clear, so they keep cool. Everyone knows that the majority issues run a bit higher once they're clear. Water flows simpler when your plumbing is clear, your automotive's engine runs higher should you've been taking good care of it, and your dryer does extra in much less time whenever you clear out the lint. The followers in your PC, assuming yours has any, want comparable care to allow them to proceed to maintain the necessary elements which can be a part of your PC good and funky. If issues get too sizzling, they cease working,